External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Tuesday told Israeli diplomats to understand the profound changes underway in India post-COVID-19 pandemic and utilize the fundamental and deep comfort enjoyed by the two sides to further the forward and upward trajectory in bilateral ties. The former leader on Tuesday decided to take their fight with the center over the three new formulas to the pole-bound states. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan on Tuesday unveiled a human rights action plan designed to strengthen the rule of law and judicial independence in a country that rights groups say lacks both. The counting for the Gujarat local body elections on Tuesday has thrown up almost the same result as those of the municipal corporation poll declared last week. Household cooking gas became costlier by ₹25 on Monday, the fourth increase in the last 24 days. That takes the total increase to ₹125 per cylinder. The Supreme Court on Tuesday ruled that payments made by resident Indian end users or distributors to overseas suppliers on import of shrink-wrapped software, generally known as on-the-shelf software, is not a royalty payment. Sanयुक्त Kisan Morcha, which is spearheading anti-farm laws protest in Delhi, will send its leader to poll-bound state to appeal to farmers there to defeat the BJP in assembly elections, leader of the outfit said on Tuesday. India is ready to offer incentives to ensure Tesla Inc.'s cost of production would be less than in China if the car maker commit to make its electric vehicle in the country, Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari said.